Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be cleaning this Nintendo Switch of mine with things that can be found inside our very own house. So this is a very simple and cheap method for us to clean our very own Nintendo Switch. So let's go. Before we start, here are the things that I will be using for cleaning my Nintendo Switch. And these things can be found in your very own homes that you don't need to buy any solutions in the market saying it's made to clean for the Nintendo Switch. So here they are. First, you will need an alcohol. Make sure that it dries fast. Don't buy alcohols that are water-based. It will ruin your Switch when it goes to the most inner parts of the Switch. You will also need a cloth. Next, you will be needing a soft toothbrush to clean those hard dust that is in your switch. Next, you will need some cotton swabs and some toothpicks. Now that we are all set, let's start cleaning. there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, just smash the like button and subscribe if you're just new. And remember, make your own perspective, and I'll be seeing you on the next video vlog. Have a great day.